Hello, this is Kyle with Rocketman Plumbing in Albuquerque, and this is Rocket. He's our mascot and my buddy. Today we're going to talk about how you can save water. Everybody gets a water bill every month, and usually it's probably bigger than you wish it was. Prices do nothing but go up. So here's a few things you can do to cut down on your water consumption. I would say number one is to make sure you don't have any water leaks. And the way you do that is you go around your house, you make sure nothing's leaking, no drips going on. Look at your hose bibs on the outside of your house. Make sure no hose bibs are leaking or running. And then what you do is you go out to your water meter, which is out by the street. You take the cover off, and usually there's a little red triangle on the dial, and that little triangle is very sensitive, and it shows if water is going through your water meter or not. If it's not moving, if that triangle is not moving, then you do not have a water leak, and that obviously saves you money. And if it is spinning and no water is running in your house, that's a very, very good indication that you do have a water leak. Another place that people lose a lot of water is from runny toilets. So if your toilet comes off and on in the middle of the night, good chance you just need a toilet flapper, and that would stop that leak. Another place people lose water is doing laundry. If you just got a small load of laundry, you want to use a small amount of water. You don't have to fill it up all the way. A big one is on your sprinkler system. Obviously, if you set it to go on too long, longer than you need in order to water your garden or your grass, that adds up to a lot of water. So you want to make sure it's only set for 10-15 minutes a day and 2 or 3 days a week like they ask you to. That does save a lot of money on your water. Other than that, I could tell you, well, you should take shorter showers, but I won't, because I love long, hot showers. It's worth every dime of it. But if you have a plumbing leak, you can call Rocketman Plumbing, and we'll get out and we'll take care of it for you. If you're not sure if you have a water leak, we can come check that out also at no charge. I hope you have a great day. Save that water, and let's have a great year. Thank you very much. Bye.